Here I've got ASUS Zenfone 6 and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick calculator, and now it's time to enter a secret code, and it's asterisk 12345 plus equal. And that's it. Now you are in test mode, and here you can either test all the features at once by tapping on test all, or you can perform a single test. So let me show you the single test. And for example, if you would like to check fingerprint, just click on fingerprint test. And here, as you can see, the fingerprint test is used to test the fingerprint function. Thanks for the notification. And then click on start. And as you can see, it's working well, so we can go back. Now let me test the battery. So let's click on start to perform this test. And as you can see, it's working properly as well. We can go back then. Now you can check, for example, e-compass. Just click on start. And as you can see, everything is done automatically and it's also good. So let me go back. And then, for example, let's check the keypad and click on start. So let's tap on volume up, volume down, and then Google Assistant is here. So as you can see, it's working properly. Let me go back. Now you can check the vibration. Click on start. And we heard free vibrate. So let me click on free. And as you can see, it's the good answer. Then let me check the speaker. Click on start.
ASUS starts with creation, come along with passion. It is just a pursuit of perfection. If you know nothing about who we are, then come along and sing with me.
And as you can see, it was proper. Definitely we could hear it clearly. And just come along with all the options, all the features, and smoothly test your device. If you have any issues, then you can detect the problem if it's about some application or your device itself. So that's it. If you would like to test all, just click on test all and then it will be done automatically. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can activate and use test mode on your ASUS Zenfone 6. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.